Do you need to create a list of items without a specific order? Well, order lists are the way to go. So let me show you how to create one step by step in just few seconds. Step one, create a basic unordered list structure. And how do you go about that? You go to your VS Code editor, and the first thing you should do is to create a basic HTML template by pressing exclamation mark enter. Now you have a basic HTML template. So let's change it to something else. Let's call it unordered list, right? Then come to your body tag and make use of what we call the UL tag. UL means unordered list. UL tag, press enter. Now you have created a UL tag. Then inside of the UL tag, you now create the list. That is what you want the list or the website to be showing, that is unordered. You make use of the LI tag. So come here, let's say we have apples, right? And then in that LI tag we have bananas, and let's say we also have say cherries. Now these are all lists of fruits. Let's see how this is displaying on our editor. These are all lists of fruits, right? These are all lists. As you can see, guys, you can see this is an example of an unordered list. There is no numbering to it. There's no ABC or 1, 2, 3. Automatically, when you make use of the UL tag here, it will number or order your list with bullet points. These dots you can see here are called bullet points, circular bullet points. So by making use of this UL tag, you are able to create a basic unordered list structure. This is a basic unordered list. Okay. Now step two, change the bullet style. And how do you change the bullet style? If you don't want this bullet style to be showing circular bullet points, you can make it to become square by making use of the type tag. So come to your UL tag and press type, right? Then press square. Make it square. SQUARE. Automatically, you see, guys, it has changed from circular bullet point to a square bullet point. So that is how you actually change the bullet point style. Now step three is to next list. Step three, next list. By nesting list, that means you create a sub list. That means it will be a list of things that have another list inside of them. So let's say you want to create a list of fruits, if a list of fruits, a list of foods, and a list of items. So let's just do that. So first of all, we'll come here. Let me take this down. Okay. Let's say I want to create, let's say we have a list, a UL, another list of say fruits. Fruits first of all. Right? We have another one of say food. And then we have a last one of say let's say we say important items. Let's say you're going somewhere and you need some important items go along with. Good. So we have three unordered lists of fruits, food, and important items. Now we want to put in this apple, banana, and cherries inside of the fruit. Then we also create a list of food and those for important items. And how do we go about that? The first thing that you have to come here, inside of your fruit, come here, create an LI tag, right? Then inside of the LI tag, okay, I think the first thing we should do is that we should change this from UL. Let's make this, let's come here and bring this fruit inside of our LI tag here. So copy and bring it here. Paste. So that way our fruit now is now an unordered list. So let's do same for the food. Okay. Let's also come here. Let's come here, take this off, copy this one off, create an li tag for it, and then put in the food. You see guys, and then for this last one as well, copy, create an li tag inside of it, and then put it inside the li tag. So now three we have three unordered lists of fruits, food, and important items. Now let's put these apples, bananas, and cherries inside of our fruit. And how do we go about that? We then create an li tag and a ul tag rather. Come here, ul, and then carry these three items to copy and paste it inside of the ul tag. Paste. You see guys, now we have an unordered list inside of an unordered list. That is what we call a nest list. So let's say we want to change the same thing. Now let's just take this off. So let's say we want to do the same thing, but we want to change this one to, just come here, copy the whole ul, control copy, and then let's paste it here. Paste. And do the same thing here. Paste. So we'll now put something else instead of saying apples. So let's say we say bread, bread, then we say tea, and then we say rice. Then for important items, maybe our important items could be a bag, say money, and say our laptop. Okay. So guys, this is how you can actually create a nested list or a sub list. That is a list inside of another list. Alright. Wonderful, right? Now step 4 is to style the list with CSS. Now obviously this list is looking very blank because there's no style, it's not looking beautiful, it's just there, white and black. So let's style this. And how do you go about that? You can do internal styling by coming to your head tag, which is here, and making use of the style tag. So you come here, after the title tag, just say style, and then let's style the first thing, which is the ul on ordered list. So let's give it a list type of none. So let's say list style type of none. Let's change this to none. So that way the whole bullet point has been removed. Do you understand, guys? So and then let's give it a padding. Let's say the padding to the left should be say 0. So that way it should not be so much. You see guys, it's now underneath the fruit, the food, and important items. Okay. Now let's style the li tag. Li. Let's style that. So let's give it a margin. Margin bottom of say 5 pixels. So that way there's now space within it. You see guys, there's now space within it. So that is basically how you can actually change the styles of your list making use of CSS. So guys, another lists are simple, but they are very powerful for organizing your content. It is not really a must that it should be used as per fruits, food, or items as if you are going to shop. It can be used for arranging different elements on your website. So try them out and let me know how you're using them.